Good morning, guys, from Beach Bronco. Here with the crew, Jason, what's up, guys, and Jacob, and we're picking up a new chassis today, Kincer chassis. Be our first build from an all brand new chassis. Can't wait to see it. Peace.
See this? This is cool. They put a sleeve inside of it because this is a major breaking point for the steering box. That's nice. I like that.
Yeah, what's cool is they got these shock towers and they got the 2-inch body lift built into it.
That's what you're saying.
So that way Mexican, right?